This is the MIBRO C2 smartwatch. It's really thin, lightweight, got a lot of different controls, brightness levels that you can set. So it's really nice and bright outside or nice and soft indoors. Whichever readings you like. You can actually lock the screen so you can't use it. This is a waterproof watch. You have to press and hold the side to unlock it. You don't want to swim with it without it being locked, so that's a really nice feature on this one. Find your phone, twist your wrist to see the time, do not disturb, date, time, and power level around everything out there, and including settings, which we'll look at in a moment. You got notifications pushed from your phone, and then you loop around with a variety of cards, starting with heart rate, showing you your current and continuous heart rate here, with a little pointer showing you right where you are. You've got weather in your area, centigrade or Fahrenheit, as you set it up in the app. You got step count information, distance traveled, and calories burned. Last night's sleep time is here with deep and light sleep reported, and a remote music player that you can play music through your phone if you want to. And of course, back to the watch faces. We've covered everything here. Go into system settings. You've got your display where you can change the dial to one of 3 different ones, and you can also download custom dials from the app. You have access to a system menu where you can do list or nine in a row. You got vibration, do not disturb, language settings, all kinds of stuff here, including system settings where you can restore the watch or shut it down. And finally, when you press the side button, you get into all of your different activities and measurements, heart rate. This is your different exercises, which includes swimming in here, as well as other activities, because that's definitely supported being a waterproof watch. You've got last night's sleep time, you've got count-up timers, countdown timers, you've got alarms, it's all here. Remote camera capability, and of course, find your phone, which is vibrating over there right now as we speak. All in all, it's a really nice, attractive watch. It's very thin, very lightweight, and it's waterproof. You've got green diode technology for blood oxygen. It's got, of course, blood heart rate, and it's available right now. It's the MIBRO C2. Check it out.